Hello everyone, today I'm going to share what I give my birdies in the morning. So I ordered this beetroot from Blinkit and first we need to wash it properly, then cut it into small pieces. My budgies are 2-year old so they can eat slightly hard pieces, but if your budgies are younger, so you can grate the beetroot and then give it to them. They really love eating beetroot and although my birdies don't like eating the same veggies every day, so I keep changing their food and mix small portions to give them different options. You can either give one veggie or mix small portions, it's totally up to you. And one more important thing, after eating beetroot their poop may look red, so don't worry, it's completely normal. It's not blood, it's just because of the beetroot. टेस्टी हो रहा है। टेस्टी हो रहा है डोडो। कौन खाएगा? मम्मी खाएगा कि डोडो खाएगा? And you can ask me a question also related to budgies, though I'm not an expert, but it's been 2 years with my body, so I have learned a lot along the way. So if you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Good girl, good girl, good girl. एक दूसरे का नहीं खाना है। कैसा हो रहा है? कैसा हो रहा है मम्मी? टेस्टी हो रहा है? टेस्टी हो रहा है?